Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to generate images and videos in Alibaba Qwen 2.5 Max AI. If you want to generate images and video in Alibaba Qwen 2.5 Max AI, you can follow some major steps. First, go to your browser and search for Qwen. Here, it will show you the Qwen website. Now, click on the Qwen website to visit it. It will start processing to open the Qwen website, which might take a little time. After reaching the website, you can log in or sign up for your account. To sign up, you can click on the Sign Up button at the top. You can continue with Google or GitHub. To continue with Google, click on Continue with Google. Choose your Google account by clicking on it. Google will ask to share your information with Qwen AI. Click Continue to allow access. Then, click on Confirm that you want to log in. You need to complete the operation to verify that you are a real person. Slide to complete the verification procedure. It will give you the prompt box on the home page. On the lower side of the prompt box, you will find different options. Here, click on the image generation option. Click on the ratio and you can choose the ratio. Now, you can enter the prompt about how you want to generate an image. For demonstration, I have given the prompt to generate an image of a boy with curly hair running. Hit the arrow icon to send the prompt. Following that, it will start generating the image. After generating, it will show you the image generated by it. Now, click on the image and you will find the arrow icon to download the image. Then, click on the arrow icon and it will open the file in which the image will be downloaded. Next, click on Save to save the image. To start a new chat, click on New Chat on the left panel. If you want to generate a video, you can click on Video Generation. You can choose the ratio and enter the prompt about how you want to generate an image. Now, you can enter the prompt about how you want to generate a video. For demonstration, I have given the prompt to generate a video of a boy with curly hair running. Hit the arrow icon to send the prompt. Following that, it will start generating the video. After generating, it will show you the video generated by it. You can click on the video to preview it. Lastly, click on the arrow icon, and you can save the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.